Igbo and alcohol. Which one they high pass? Which one they make you misbehave pass? No, Igbo they coordinate you. Abi? Alcohol they make you. Because two guys just go one club, hi, come outside. The guy, you're the first one, don't go car. Come notice saying guy they talk to one guy. Now I ain't go meet and so boy, you should see the waste time. We'll go out. He say, no now, your wife did now, make her carry gear now. How much they talk? She say 70,000. I ain't price now, you know, go take 50. The girl say no. I ain't the guy down, so boy, leave this girl, when they go house, I go help you talk to my wife. That 50,000 you bring her with and cook soup, all of us go see. Yeah! And then bring it down.
I don't really get stressed because any money won't pay and I'm M.O.P. Holland. So I can't stress myself for him. A father cannot die for his son. Yes, can't die for his son. I don't tire. But the kind of stuff we did in Nigeria now, I nearly envy people who died last year. Because they say at least them, they don't already, this is no concern them. Because nothing there, you know. No fuel, no money, no. You call the password the very person, you call the envious. Baba, your own good, oh. No really see what they go on. Nothing. People are frustrated. Nothing they work, even betting. Anybody who bets now, they lose. Nobody now lose today. Like me, I know they bet football. If I want bet now boxing, at least if I lose, I know the person will make me lose. They don't beat down well. Idiot. Blowing left eye made the black say the crazy. They help me beat and made it okay. Because we're all frustrated, man. Look at the country. Nothing they told. I say we die alive if we don't die. Because you die and alive with this. So then if they show you your picture now, you go right alive. You wait 2 hours from now. If you no collapse, man. Bro, Nigeria is crazy, man. Election don't come, they deceive us. They make us feel like say the thing hard. No hard though. Election no real like that. Anybody go just come talking you. You where you stand, you call the. I don't even really tire for this comedy self. That's why I just okay, people like M.O.P made it they come. I don't tire waiting. I don't tire now. Since 2002, how many years now? 21 years. Like I they work for one company now for BMD now. My voice feel like Peter Obisef, I feel cut. Or test even if I lose. Because the thing is hard. Because most times when you come out, people come fall down like say, man, I even say whether this problem, this boy feel solve them. Now me put up. Oh, you know no say reach this side. If to say a quick do ritual when they advise me, I for day here now, this guy go day here. I didn't follow it, you know. I'm tired, man. So most times, because I love Nigerians, we love ourselves. The only problem is say we know they like make some people they enjoy, make some people they suffer. If we want suffer, maybe general. If we go enjoy, that's why we invest for politicians, nothing more. If to say as we they suffer, they suffer. If we complain, man die. You're okay because that's why the area where they stay one sniper take light. First way they check whether na everywhere. You go just open window. Thank God na everywhere. Because you don't realize say as you they reach your neighbor. You get. Bro, everybody's less busy, there's no work. That's why somebody where they make minister, leave the work. They go about the grant interview for presidential candidate whenever we in a minister here too. Baba work day, 9 weeks get time they sing as they paying them. It's less busy, bro. Even though all the things so week they commission. Work no day anywhere. Everybody now to survive, you need different jobs. That's why who open hospital now, they open mortuary, who no survive go die. The money go still. You have to block it. You go chemist now, they sell beer because they don't know. They don't know where it come from. Especially Igbo men. But if Igbo man market something for you, you don't say Igbo man fish sell water to fish go buy them. Igbo, my friend don't they come back before whole clutches. He get better Lego. I said where you go? He said go Alaba. I said, and now you whole clutches. He said the guy said they do promo. I said they do promo. Now you buy clutches. You say Acapella. If that guy advertise for you, go buy coffin.
You think say Regina Daniel, you think that your husband being spec? That's the God of 11th hour. Do you know that Regina Daniel was in teenage church 1 week? The next week she joined Christian Mothers. Spirit of grace. That our friends now, they come greet them after church. You go to tap them for back. How is your mommy? How is your... I didn't see her in church. Give them money to go buy ice cream, you know. See now by fine. That fine yellow boy, and they see him again. Yes, now. So use your head. Follow the right lane. When I check the industry, I say, oh, man, now this man, I like follow. When I hear clap, if you want clap. Because in the world today, you know, easy make person where they do the same thing where they do. They give you full support. I'm Igbo boy. I get sense. I know my age. I know who they for me. First time I believe this man with the drive going house. Now he tell me, say, that show where they come from now. Shall you perform? I say yes. He say, shall I perform? I say yes. He say, when I perform, people break chair. I say no. He say, not the same laughter. No allow anybody to deceive you. As you funny, that's why funny. That's the, I know if you forget that talk for my life. That's the now decide saying that this man I won't follow. You understand? Yeah, I don't talk about that too. They plan open mortuary. Yeah. Riches, big, you see big men, eh? Classic things. You start teaching them now. Big man like him. You can never, what you go take no rich big man. You know if you catch big man first, where in they eat. If you go see big man, they say your guy is having dinner. You go wait for reception. You cannot be a big man and you day fast food. They say, no be that pomo, raise that pomo. No, you don't shift my pomo, shift this one. You get eyes to see big pomo, you don't get eyes to see big dream. They do raise pomo. And when would they get to it? You know, that time when they grow up for that till but many things just they enter my head. Would they respect, our respect be like, now stupid respect. They can't say that chair we face television, now only that you get them. Which kind of nonsense thing be that one? Our respect, we don't know that our papa reach cube of sugar when they drink tea. Me as last one, they use 2. My other sister, they use 3. My mother, they use 4. They give my papa 7. No reason that diabetes won't take kill the man. They respect person. Then they look down on me, they give me 2 cubes. Now they give me 2 cubes, I mean they take care of them.
You know, so every woman gets second shop. I don't know who they pay the rent. Just now you get LG, so now you're on a second shop. Why did you not always do this shop all day? You can't go that side, you know that's second shop. Any woman can convince you. Ask her whether I get Hennessy. If you no get her, the way go make you feel like say Hennessy na got her. Just as I get Hennessy, say na kananga. Na you let to. Na Glenfiddich now. Then you go come buy the Glenfiddich, come reach us. Who send you go come say? Where the NSC was send you go come tell her what they tell you. Akananga. Then you come verse. Go meet the woman, call quarrel and Sabina. You tell me say they drink NSC again. Say now Glen. I bet take this thing. Give me NSC. You will want to ever lose. Now you just looking now, no shout. NSC day now, but you go add some more money. You must add something. I don't enter. I know some one of the rich things what they get as Igbo people in accent. I don't enter Igbo man shop early morning to 8. He just open beer for me. Said, nah, beer with me, I get about there. I say, who spoil your day? 8 just the knock in the morning. People never even wake up, your day don't spoil. He can now. He said, nah, beer with me. That's why he squeeze face, so. Just no, I get about there. I said, can I God forbid, I can never join you. Celebrate your way people bad day. I just come here. He said, now if you go beer, if you no go beer, leave him. I said, I get bad day. Now today, them bomb me. Now my bad day. So, now in birthday, we can't celebrate.
Go marry. Get marry. Don't be so me and advice like, ooh, follow go Imo State that day self. When they won't give us, they say, then send the boy to go print marriage list. The boy come back, say the list was too bulky. They no fit step on. They can't give us marriage list for flash drive. Till now, we'll never go back. Small boy go want marry on a daughter, on a go write plenty things. 17 tubers of yam for village youth. Cutlass for vigilante. Now God, they secure person. You can't see tea for village widow. Now make it their husband. They stress people.
If you look around, don't let nobody deceive you. There's no system that's designed to protect you. The system is there to protect itself. You don't care about it. Check them now. We go complain about robbery. Like Lagos, where would they stay, where this guy build. By the way, if now Lagos if from come, now God do for you. You don't need to pay rent again. No. Tinubu build Lagos. So If your landlord come, tell her, me go call the landlord. Go call your guy. You know, say like every tenant they tell the landlord, say, go call who built Lagos. Now that time we go really know who built Lagos. Because your tenant say, go call who built Lagos, go see your landlord, hey, you see this part of Lagos? Now me build them. Now me build this side. Because it's crazy. Where would they go? We don't know whether would they go front, whether would they go back. Nigeria is the only country when you travel, you be like, would they go the future? When you come back, you can't come to the past. You can't do present, they do like this, past and future. Everything is confused. It's collapsing now. Oh, they talk about Nigeria problem. People, they chop belly food, go say, anybody want with me, we no concern me, I do okay, no problem. And when people no see food chop, begin see your neck like turkey. Once you pass the soul, boy, see meat. Because you, if you say you do okay, you get 100 million, you get 50 million. Once you pass Kaduna Abuja Expressway, you are broke. You are broke, bro. No money. That's why I look at a lot of things. Like Bible. You go ever hold your phone, you can see update Facebook, update Instagram, update WhatsApp. I hold my phone the other day, I can't see update Bible. I can't say who Solomon don't go give belly again. Because waiting happen afresh, where they update Bible, waiting happen new. You ever see some Bible stories? You know, so if now Jonah come back after 3 days, the wife goes say where you go. He said I just did my own. No, God say my God, I said no, they go. 9 fish swallow me. You know, saying that the way your wife respond, you go know so you don't lose the case. As you just tell her, say fish swallow, you go say for where? You say bad bitch, come go show me. How you want to know where the fish? As soon as they go, you go to greet people. One can chat the family, say they. What of a guy there? You know, now they go say no. Fish swallow my husband, I won't go check him. Because you go see some things. You get some other parts of the Bible where they shock me. That part of the Bible say, he that look at a woman and lust after her. Say the dog counter. Baba heaven go empty. Nyash. Now you tell the play. So as I did now, Nyash go pass, I know look am. Because they want make the counter now. I dey fear them. If I perish, I perish. You know what it be Nyash? You know they read Bible. Bible say when the reason they say man no look Nyash. Now so that I go make heaven. Abi? Bible say angels where they already stay for the heaven. When they see Nyash, they lust after the daughters of men. Angel choose Nyash over heaven. Now come me, we never see heaven picture. Baba, they go balance this thing. I go look Nyash, wait till what happen, may happen. Because Nyash no make sense. Now women, they pay 3.2 million for Lekki. If you see real Nyash for Lekki now, my brother, I don't know what God do for you. All the Nyash for Lekki now, the photocopy am no better. That's why when Oyibo bring different policies, we go just look them. They bring one policy that time. Now Oyibo they do everything. Transgender, same-sex marriage. The one way they do Igbo boys converse for America now when they bring gay. Before Igbo boy child gay now they near him. He follow come or converted.
The other day, one board plane, 2 pilots, they argue. That one, they tell us, people, see now, people will won't fly. They argue. Say, boy, leave me a beg. I don't they fly for 6 months now. I never crash any plane. And they owe me. Oh, I'm not flying. I know before land to take. Okay, we need to go again. Rugged Nigeria. My guy open house on Sunday. EFCC close on Monday. House where they warm on Sunday. Sour on Monday. My God don't tell her now. Don't live in Nigeria if you chase your dream. Oh. For abroad, now if you chase your dream, once you come to Nigeria, if you like they chase you for dream. You tell her now, you know listen. Who be that picking there? At this age, you don't become comedy show. When I say like you only burial. All the polo will get for childhood. Now burial gone so soon, adieu. See different language. I go MC wedding for one Jabba. Small wedding, you know. The guy carry 16 speakers. At the end, only 2 they work. Come they make announcement. And then they get one mic, we go get one big foam on top. You dare not remove it. Different mouth out of that mic. I come they call women to come collect their food. And they sound like ghosts. I dey hear my name. I dey hear myself. People. Off. Njaba. Women. Association. The guy comes over, no cross here. You be native doctor. Do your mic well. And all those weddings, the way they do for East there. If you do wedding, you know how much be whore now. You know how much be drink. You know how much be. It's expensive. All those village women, make them they come. Men we go even do you well. They come there outside. They wait for when couple they dance, make them go spray, go out. Old women go just full everywhere. Children they drag souvenir anyhow. I am see one wedding on Saturday. Couple dance. Allow them. Women just line up. See, they won't give gifts. Which kind gift? Motor pistol, one whole pistol. What is this? Now one woman won't vex me when I look that gift where I lose in a packer. And the souvenir and a packer. You just come to exchange the color of your. I know that for all this wedding, but we don't see something for this MC work. Why he be say everybody go spray money for wedding? You see, Old Boys Association, alumni, they too like dance. They know they spray and they come like because it's our wedding. You dey craze, come the round couple, like say you want to initiate them. You go see that one where some people pass for class, you come they hail them. Go Kenny, like this.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.